Hey guys, this is Bunker with Team Lunatics Airsoft, and call sign Moose and I are at Battlegrounds in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, doing some CQB action with a couple objective games in the middle here. Uh, Make sure you hit like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think in the comments section below.
Bang! Hey, bang.
This was probably a ricochet. I'm not
I'll
100%
take that
certain.
too, man.
That's why I just went ahead and took the hit. I did feel something bounce off of me, and you could hear it audibly hit the wall behind me. So I wasn't sure if it was bouncing off of me and hitting the wall, or if it actually bounced off the wall and hit me.
Bang!
I was on my way back to spawn after
having a problem?
getting shot, and noticed that this
Watch
new
your
player,
play.
was having an issue with his gun, so I stopped to help
They're not
out.
shooting? That's it. You gotta make sure that's wound up. Give it like 50 shots and then wind it up, you know?
In this game type, it's called light domination. There's random lights scattered throughout the entire
Max, what
map
you
that
doing,
you
buddy?
had to gain control of by turning on and keeping your team's color, which our team's color was blue. The other team's color was red. We did end up winning this game, though.
He's down. I hate winding. Coming out. Don't blind fire like that, man. All right.
At this point, I noticed my team wasn't moving up or advancing in any way, so I threw a grenade
fun
into the
idea.
room in hopes of clearing it out so that our team could move forward and obtain the objective. I made a fatal CQB mistake, and I did not clear my corner when I entered the room immediately.
for standing out in the middle of the open. Come on, man, call it.
I had gotten too cocky and wanted to get a nice kill, so he got the bang bang rule off, but we took a parlay, we both took the death.
Dead.
This is the final game of the day, neutral bomb. Each team has to race to the center of the map to get the bomb and plant it in the enemy objective.
Get back here, get back here. Go, 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 go. Come on, Max, follow me. Go, 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 go. Max! Go, Max, go! Start counting, start counting! On your 6. Seven, Mississippi! Use your big boy voice! Bang! You're good. Get in there.
As always, if you like the video, hit that like button and that subscribe button, and let me know what you think in the comment section below.